especially, was rigged to be unfathomably massive. The largest explosion we have ever done.
I think a wide of you just here, right beside him. Yep. Sit down.
How you doing, buddy?
Oh my gosh, Jimmy. Dude, everything comes down to this last moment.
Indeed, man.
Thank you for the opportunity.
No problem. I feel like you could use a pick-me-up. Send him on in! We brought his family out. He's just looking a little sad. Oh, that's adorable. If your dad wins, what should he buy you? Have you thought about that?
Candy.
Oh, you want candy?